नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। जो डिजिटल लेक्चर्स हम JVWU प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले रहे हैं, उसी क्रम में हम आज नेक्स्ट लेक्चर लेंगे, जिसका नाम है लिपिज रिपर्टरी पार्ट 2। Before starting this lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud of to, to be part of this university, that is JVWU Jaipur, which is the best women university in India. I welcome you all in repertory class on digital version 2.0, which is the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. I hope this lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen carefully and drop your queries in the comment box, which I will answer in the problem solving session. And now we are going to start the lecture. So, what are the important rubrics in the various chapters of Lipase repertory we are going to consider today? In the chapter Ear and Hearing, you can see there are certain rubrics like blood congestion of, and the medicine is lyco, phosphorus, sulfur, and pulsatilla. Blood congestion of. Sensation as if air passing into ears. The medicines are Graphitis Nazarium. Tumor small in ear. The medicine is Barbaris. Ulcers in ear. The medicines are Calica, Camphor, Bovista. Then in nose and smell, black pores on nose. The medicines are Sabina, Sulfur, Graphitis. Black pores on nose, which is sweaty, it is Graphitis. Nose blackish is Mercurius. Caries of nose is Aurum. Body sensation as if foreign body is there in nose, it is Calcarea Fos. So certain people, they are constantly picking in their nose as if, and they feel as if there is a foreign body in their nose. They are constantly picking up in their nose, and the medicine is Calcarea Fos. Deadness of the skin of the nose. That means it is lacking in sensations. It is Netramure. Quivering in nose means tickling. It is Chelidonium or Strontium. Wrinkled skin of the nose is Chamomilla. When pressing on nose, the pain relieves. It is Agnus. Face, lips, and lower jaw, and the related rubrics. The expressions have separate rubrics, for example, aged, gloomy, etc. Arthritic pain in the lower jaw, the medicine is Causticum. Bewildered appearance on face, the medicine are Plumbum and Stramonium. Convulsions of face, the medicine are Bell, Chamomilla, Ipecac, Stramonium. Convulsions of mouth, the medicine are Ipecac, Oleander, Stramonium. One-sided convulsion, especially left-sided, it is Digitalis. Miliary eruption on face, the medicine are Chamomilla, Euphrasia, Hepar, Lachesis, and Veratrum. Face having old looks, the medicine is hydrocyanic acid. Then in the chapter teeth and gums, There is aching in sound teeth. Aching pain in sound teeth. ये बिल्कुल सही है दांत जिसमें कोई कैरीज नहीं है वो भी दुख रहा है. Medicine are arnica, bryonia, hyoscyamus, rustox, and sulfur. If it is on left side, single medicine, bromium. Cracking of teeth when rubbing them. The medicine is selenium. Cracks in gums. The medicine is platina. Decay of the teeth suddenly. The medicine is mesothelium. Decay of the teeth as soon as they appear. The medicine is creosote. Decay of molars. The medicine is clematis. It's very important. Often you will see that molars they decay very early. Decay of the lower molars, right side, the medicine is allosocotrine. Toothache in females, the medicine are magnesium carb, magnesium mure. Grinding of teeth when sleeping, the medicine are, or the medicine is single medicine, it's arsenic. And when in sitting posture, it is antium tart. Paleness of gums, the medicine is nitric acid, phosphorus, plumbum. Ailments from cutting of the wisdom tooth, the medicine is magnesium carb. अक्कल दाढ़ जब आ रही होती है तब जो पेन होता है, cutting pain, the medicine is magnesium carb. So this is all in today's lecture. We have discussed various peculiar data of lipase repertory. I hope you have learned something. So at the end of this lecture, I am going to give you an assignment which consists of a subjective question, and the question is, what special you have noted about lipase repertory in above lecture? What special have you noted about lipase repertory in above lecture? You have to tell what are the special features of lipase repertory as per the lecture you have heard right now. So thank you all for being attentive. See you again with a new lecture. Till then, goodbye. Take care of your health.